How to quickly check all tags for cognate and similar words with Envato API and Google Sheets. Visit the Envato developer site, log in with your Envato account and go to My Apps. Create a new token. Give the token a name and be sure to check the boxes. Copy and save the generated token. Go to Google Drive and create a new sheet. Paste the token you generated into cell A2, write your Envato username into cell B2. In the top menu, select Extensions, App Script. Delete all the standard code and paste the script from the file. Click the Save icon. Go back to the Table tab and refresh the page. Click Envato Automation and run Portfolio Processing. When you first run it, Google will ask you to grant the script permissions to access this table and external queries, URL fetch. Confirm them by clicking Advanced and go to Unsafe. After all confirmations, you'll see the script running. It will take some time to collect tags, for 800 tracks about 20 minutes. The cleared tags column contains edited tags without duplicates or similar words. The last column lists the edited tags plus the suggested ones. You can use tags from the cleared tags column or from the final pack column.